Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around and join our family. If you like this look, stick around. So I'm leaving some of my hair out in the front. I left out too much hair. You don't need this much to leave out. We're wearing a half wig today, a converter cap. It comes with one long comb in the front, some combs on the side and a comb in the back, and a drawstring. So I'm just putting it on right now. I normally wear my wig grip, but I could not find it. Wig grips are good because it helps protect your edges. You preserve your hair and everything. And it helps preserve the back, that kitchen back there. This does have a drawstring, which is good. It's like a converter cap. And I got this in the color 2. It's called Tropical Trendrils. So yeah, right now I'm just putting it on, and you can see I'm pulling that drawstring so you can adjust it to your head size. So right now I'm going to try to attempt to blend my hair in with this pattern. I have natural hair. Right now I'm just wetting my hair with water. Like I said, you don't need this much hair out. I left out too much hair. You do not need this much hair out. Yeah, I'm trying to blend my natural hair with this. I'm going to end up putting some of my hair back because, again, like I said, I left too much of my hair out. I think I'm going to continue to spray this with water and use my edge control or a little bit of leave-in conditioner or a little bit of gel. It's up to you. Whatever you use to mold your hair, use that. Again, you do not need this much hair out. I used way too much of my hair out. You just need a little bit. You can use this with a headband. You can use this with you don't even need a headband. You can wear this make all the hair come down to the front, hide everything. You won't even need hair out. Let's say if you're trying to really protect your edges, you don't want to use your edges, you don't have to use any leave out, if that makes sense. You could just put all the hair forward and it will just fall down and drop down. But right now I'm just continuing to mold my hair back. Again, this is too much hair. I think I'm gonna either show, I think I left the clip in, I'm not too sure, but at one point I end up showing you guys how I look with a headband, and at one point I end up putting a lot of my hair back because, again, this is way too much hair for this. Please guys, excuse me for chewing my gum. I'm so sorry. And if you guys see me talking, I'm talking to my son. So yeah, I keep looking at my phone to make sure that it's recording, and I'm keep looking at my light to making sure that it's on. So right now I got my little edge brush, and I'm just trying to brush back my edges. But I'm gonna stop talking and yapping and let y'all watch. So this is how it looks with the headband. You can use any color you want, any style headband you want. This is how it looks. And I think after this, I end up putting some of my hair back and showing you guys a different way to do it. I pretty much just brush my hair back and put a headband on. Now I'm just taking out a little bit of my hair in the front and trying to work with that. I think I still took too much hair in the front, but it is what it is. You can also take out some of your hair and use some bobby pins to pin it the way you want it to lay and stay all day. They kind of rhyme, but yeah, just take some bobby pins if you want to, and you can you don't even have to use your hair out. You can literally just pull the wig all the way to the front and just leave it. It's gonna just fall down. I wish I would have did that, but normally I don't wear them like that. I normally just either wear a headband or have a little bit of leave out. This is a good amount of leave out, but it's still a little bit too much. This is still too much hair that's out, but it is what it is. Basically, I think what I did was pretty much, I'm gonna try to explain it. Just push some of my hair back, pull some of the wig hair up, take a bobby pin and just pin it in place, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain because I do it every time I wear one of my half wigs or one of my converter caps or whatever, I always do it different. So it's kind of hard for me to explain what I do, if that makes sense. I just try to make sure that it's like gonna stay in place, if that makes sense. The main goal is basically to make sure that nothing's showing. If you could blend the ends of your hair, that's fine. If you could blend your hair with it, that's fine. On me, I've cut my hair recently, so I'm still waiting for it to grow back. But like I said, the main goal is to make sure nothing's showing. So I can't really tell you how to pin it down or what to do. You know what I mean? You have to like experiment. Because again, like when I wear these converter caps or half wigs, if you want to call it that, I don't really do it the same way all the time, and it's like harder for me to blend sometimes because again, I cut my hair and I am natural, and you know with natural hair comes shrinkage. So if you want to manipulate your hair with heat, that's fine, but for me, I'm like staying away from heat. So I pretty much use bobby pins to pin it out the way, you know, to hide it, disguise it. Do what you gotta do. I really hope this helps. I really wish I could tell you guys like how to pin it, where to lay it, but it depends on you and how you want it to lay. You may want it on the right, you may want it on the left, you may want it in your face. You like, again, it's up to your preference. But I do hope that this helps. Next time I wear another one, I'll try to explain step by step what I'm doing, and hopefully that'll be a better help to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was kind of helpful, and let me know what you get this. I'm gonna put up a picture of like the different colors that this unit comes in. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed one. Bye.